I'm feeling so tired. I don't even want to just get up and cook for myself. Sometimes I don't even feel like even making that 2-minute Maggie. Can you believe it? How many times such things has happened with you? I'm sure a number of times, isn't it? So this happens with everybody. But we need to take control of our emotions, our feelings, our moods, because there is something else which is controlling the whole system, and that is mind. So use your mind, think twice. Am I doing the right thing by just killing my time? Am I doing the right thing by just wasting the time? I know that life is very short. I know that time is very valuable. So, what are you supposed to do? Get up, take the first step, and work.